Hello students, activity number 6. In the given triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. DE is parallel to BC. That intersect AB on point D and AC on point E. AB on point D and AC on point E. With the help of the figure below, measure the features asked for the table and complete it. With the help of a scale, we measure the length of AB and BD. Length of AB is 2 cm and length of BD is 3 cm. Now measure AE and EC. Length of EC is 2.4 cm and length of EC is 3.6 cm. Now AD upon DB is equal to 2 upon 3 and AE upon EC is equal to 2.4 upon 3.6. Remove the decimal, 1 digit decimal, then 1 digit decimal. Cancel each other. 12 to the 24, 12 3 the 36. Here AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now, other figure, measure AD and DB. Length of AD is 3 cm and length of DB is 1 cm. Now measure AE and EC. Length of AE is 4.5 cm and EC is 1.5 cm. AD upon DB 3 cm upon 1 cm and AE upon EC 4.5 cm upon 1.5 cm. Remove decimal, 45 upon 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 threes are 45. 3 is to 1. AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides in equal ratio. Converse of this statement is also true. That means if a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then this line is parallel to the third साइड. चलिए दोनों स्टेटमेंट्स को फिर से समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle divides the other two sides in equal ratio. That means ABC in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. एक ट्राइंगल में यदि एक लाइन ट्राइंगल के वन साइड से पैरेलल हो तो ये जो लाइन है ये अदर टू साइड्स को AB और AC को इक्वल रेशो में डिवाइड करता है. That means AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. If a line divides any two sides of a triangle in the same ratio, then this line is parallel to the third side. That means यदि हमारे पास एक ट्राइंगल है ABC और इस ट्राइंगल में कोई पॉइंट्स है DE, एक लाइन DE ट्राइंगल के टू साइड्स को D और E पर कट कर रहा है. इस तरह से कट कर रहा है कि रेशियो सेम है. डेट मीन्स AD अपॉन DB इज इक्वल टू AE अपॉन EC. देन DE इज पैरेलल टू BC. मतलब कि यदि एक ट्राइंगल में एक लाइन ट्राइंगल के वन साइड से पैरेलल हो तो अदर टू साइड्स को इक्वल रेशो में डिवाइड करता है. यदि किसी ट्राइंगल में एक लाइन इस तरह से ड्रॉ हो रहा है कि ट्राइंगल के टू साइड्स को इक्वल रेशो में डिवाइड कर रहा है तो वो लाइन थर्ड साइड के साथ क्या होगा, पैरेलल होगा. एक्सरसाइज 3.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. इन द गिवन फिगर DE is parallel to BC if AD is equal to 1.5 centimeter, DB 3 centimeter and EC 4 centimeter, then find out the measure of AE. Solution 1. In triangle ABC, BC is parallel to DE. Then AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. The line parallel to one side of a triangle divides other sides in equal ratio. Now putting the values of AD, DB, AC 1.5, 3 and 4. 1.5 centimeter upon 3 centimeter is equal to AE upon AC 4 centimeter. Remove the decimal. Decimal digit is 1, so we write 1 0 in denominator. AE upon 4. Now 4 transpose to right side. AE. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. AE equal to 2 centimeter. Thus, the measure of AE is 2 centimeter. Number 6. In the given figure, AD is equal to 8 centimeter, BD 4 centimeter, and AE 9 centimeter, EC 4.5 centimeter. Is DE parallel to BC? Why? Solution 6. AD upon DB is equal to 8 centimeter upon 4 centimeter, 2 upon 1. AE upon EC equal to 9 centimeter upon 4.5 centimeter. Remove decimal digit in denominator, 1 decimal digits, so we put 1 0 in numerator. 45 ones are 45, 45 twos are 90, 2 upon 1. In triangle ABC, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Then DE is parallel to BC. If a line divides two sides of triangle in the same ratio, then this line is parallel to the third side. Thanks for watching my video.